In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make comments in Figma. Comments are the fastest way to share feedback, ask questions, and keep design discussions tied directly to the work. We'll walk through getting into comment mode, placing your comment exactly where it's needed, writing a clear message, and posting it so your team can move forward. Start by entering comment mode. At the top of Figma, click the speech bubble icon in the toolbar. If you prefer shortcuts, press the C key on your keyboard. You'll know you are in comment mode when your cursor changes and you can place a marker anywhere on the canvas. Next, choose the location for your comment. For a pinpoint note, click once on the canvas to drop a comment at that exact spot, perfect for calling out a specific icon, button, or line of text. If your feedback applies to a broader area, click and drag to draw a rectangular region. The highlighted box makes it clear which section your comment refers to, reducing back and forth later. After you place it, a text field opens so you can type your message. Keep it direct and actionable. To notify a teammate, type the @ symbol followed by their name. They'll get alerted right away. If tone matters or you want to show enthusiasm or urgency, add emojis using the smiley icon or by typing a colon and the emoji name. When visuals will clarify your point. Attach media by clicking the image icon and uploading a PNG, JPEG, or GIF. You can include up to 5 files per comment, which is handy for before and after shots, reference examples, or short animated cues. When your message is ready, publish it by pressing enter or clicking the send icon. Your comment is now saved to the file and anchored exactly where you placed it, so anyone reviewing the design can see the context instantly. If you notice a typo before sending, just fix it in the field. Clear writing helps your team respond quickly. That's all to it. Thanks for watching.